Amazon AWS follows a shared responsibility model diagram. So AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud, meaning they handle all the heavy lifting, data centers, physical security, hardware, global infrastructure, all that behind the scenes magic that keeps the cloud running 24/7. And then you, the customer, are responsible for security in the cloud. That means your data, your applications, your access controls, and how you configure your services. Think of it like renting a luxury apartment. The building management maintains the entire complex, but you are responsible for what happens inside your own room. So same idea is here. So next we have is AWS Acceptable Use Policy, or AUP. This is basically the rule book for using AWS, and trust me, it's very important. AWS wants the cloud to be safe space for everyone. So there are a few strict guidelines: no illegal or harmful or offensive content, no security violation or hacking activities, no network abuse, no email or message spam. Simple words: use AWS for innovation, not for nonsense. As long as you follow these rules, you're good to go. Break them and AWS will take action. So always play fair, stay secure, and build responsibly. And here, as we can see, this is the AWS acceptable use of policy. So that's all for this video. So this is all about shared responsibility model and AWS acceptable use policy. And in next video we'll be looking at the course cost and budget setup. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and make sure to leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. In the last video we have seen that what is AWS acceptable use policy and what is shared responsibility model. And in this video, and yes, so the next one we have is, before we start building AI tools, AI solutions, let's talk about the course budget. Now here is the honest truth: AWS services are powerful but not completely free. If you follow along with me step by step, you may incur some charges, but don't worry, I've got your back. Throughout this course I will show you how to limit costs, how to avoid unnecessary charges, and how to turn off anything that could quietly burn your wallet. The golden rule: always shut down what you don't need. So some AWS services even offer free trials like Amazon Q, and we will absolutely take advantage of that. And trust me, you'll learn how to use AWS like a pro and stay budget friendly at the same time. In this video we have seen that all the AWS services are not free, and it incurs some charges, but in next video we will be looking at the budget setup and how we can limit our charges, and how we can set up a budget in AWS itself, so that we cannot get charged for anything that we do not use. I will also show you that how we can limit our uses and how we can track our free tier. And yes, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and like this video, share this video, and make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much. Here we are, and for that we need to type here billing and cost management. You can type here, you can go to there from here also, and in recently visited you can just type from here also. So now this is our dashboard of cost summary, that how many of free trials we have used. And yes, as we have not used anything, we can simply see. So as you can read here, your free plan account does not get charged. Credits cover your free plan cost. Your free access to AWS services will end when your free plan period expires, or when you have depleted all the credits. And first here we can see that this is all the budgets and planning, how much you are willing to spend, how much you should spend, everything, cost breakdowns to everything, that how AWS will charge you or how you can get charged by AWS. And so we are just in the free tier. So if you will use any free services, that would show here, as we have not used anything as of yet. This is empty. and it will show that how many credits that we have remaining from the $100 that we free credit we get. And we'll also see that how we should track, how we can track the use of services. Okay, so now we would also create a budget. So we just click on budgets, and here we go. We just click here on create budget, and as we can see, the first budget that we would create is zero spend budget. So I'll just put my email here. So here you can see that you will be notified by email when any spend is above 1 cent. So anything that we spend above $0.01, we would be notified by email. So this is the zero spend budget, and so here you can see that this is the zero spend budget. So any credit that is, I mean, this is $1 budget, but any credit that exceed 0.01, we would be notified by email. And we'd also create a monthly budget, and so my monthly budget should not be more than $10. Okay, so it should not exceed $10, and I would also put my email. And here you can see that you will be notified when your actual spend reaches 85%, your actual spend reaches 100%, and if your forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%. So in any of these scenarios, you would be notified that if my spend is 85%, I would also be notified. If I spend everything for $10, I would be notified, and if my forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%, I would also be notified by email. And here we just click on yes. So we have created two budgets, and we can track it from here, budgets, and we can see that how much we are spending and what is the status of our spend. You can download a CSV from here, and yes. So this is how we create a budget in AWS, Amazon Web Services, and that's all for this video. We have learned about how we have to use AWS services, and how we have not to use AWS services. We have seen the AWS console and the tour of the Amazon Web Services portal and the console, I'm sorry. And we also created two budgets, my zero spend budget and my monthly cost budget, so that we can track our expenses, that we are not getting charged for anything, and we can actually see that this is the reason that we are getting charged. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much, and you have a good one though. And in next video we would also see something about Amazon Bedrock and generative AI. Thank you very much for watching.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.